In this section, we will learn about HTML links, linking to other web pages. One of the powerful aspects of HTML and the internet is the ability to link to other web pages. You can add links to a web page by adding an anchor element or a tag. You remember I told you about a tag in HTML in the lesson review, where we organized our code a little bit better, and I placed this h1 title inside of the header element and then placed a tag inside of this h1 element pointing to this exact page. Okay, let's see. You can add links to a web page by adding an anchor element or a tag and including the text of the link in between the opening and closing tags. So here is the example of a tag or link. Oh, wait a minute. Technically, the link in the example above is incomplete. Like I said, the a tag or link tag in HTML, they have a requirement like image tags, but instead of the source attribute a tags, they need href attribute. Okay, let's continue. How exactly is the link above supposed to work if there is no URL that will lead users to the actual Wikipedia page? The anchor element in the example above is incomplete without the href attribute, just like I said in one of the previous lessons. This attribute stands for hyperlink reference and is used to link to a path or the address to where a file is located, whether it is on your computer or another location. Paths provided to the href attribute are often URLs, like we can see in this example here. So if you were to click on this link, you would be redirected to Wikipedia landing page or homepage. In the example above, the href attribute has been set to the value of the URL https://www.wikipedia.org. The example now shows the correct use of an anchor element. When reading technical documentation, you may come across the term hyperlink. Not to worry, this is simply the technical term for link, so it is the same thing. These terms are often used interchangeably. Okay, let's see the instructions for this exercise. After the first paragraph, right above the heading that says species, let's find species. It is right here, right above. Okay, let's go there. We need to add a link that says learn more. Okay, you remember a tag, closing a tag with the learn more content inside, and don't add the URL just yet. So don't add the href attribute yet. Run. Okay, now add the following URL to the link. Now copy this URL and add that URL to the href of that link. So attribute is called href. You can see it's right here. Now copy the URL and now click run. And that is correct. Let's proceed to the next exercise.